dark collar slack lift, which is a really great transition move. A slack lift happens when you move the slack from the front of your body to the back of your body, or from the back of your body to the front of your body. I'm really excited to show you this, so let's get started. Starting in your wall plane, the rope dart will have a lead spin, which means it's falling towards your lead side. As the dart comes up in front of you, cast the dart over your anchor side neck and catch with your lead hand as it comes down. Once you feel comfortable moving on, let's add a slack lift. Let's repeat the collar wrap we just learned. This time, as you catch the dart in your lead hand, allow the dart to complete one rotation in front of you. As the dart hits its 12 o'clock, your anchor arm will lift the slack straight above your head. As the dart hits its 12 o'clock and you lift your slack, your lead foot will step back into wheel plane, landing you in home position with a downward spin. Click the link in the bio for a tutorial on an elbow shot. As you step back into home position, allow the dart to twine your lead elbow. Shoot the dart back into a lead elbow shot. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.